Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see a wonderful filter option which is available in Microsoft Excel, and through this powerful built-in filtering feature the users are allowed to filter the data based on the specific criteria. So it makes our work easy, and let's explore how it is. So Excel has this powerful feature, and for this first you have to open your Excel workbook and navigate to the worksheet. You have to select any cell within your data range, go to the data tab, click on the filter button, and which may look like a funnel icon. The drop down arrows will appear in the header of each column. You can click on the drop down arrow which you want to filter. So we can use the various filter options such as sorting the data in ascending or descending, filtering by specific values. You can use the text filters, number filters, date filters, and more on. And to apply the multiple filters simultaneously, we can click on the drop down arrow in another column and set the additional filter criteria. So to clear the filters and show all the data again, we have to go back to the data tab and click on the clear button in the sort and filter group. So let's look how it is. You can enter into the Microsoft Office 365. If you don't have that particular software, you can use the online version. Now I have taken you a simple example. I have a students name list where all the department students are being given listed, and their name and marks are being listed. Here I am using the filter option. So if I am not using the filter option, the basic options which are available is first option I have to use the VLOOKUP option. So my question is, from this data I have to find all the students and their marks from each department. So from the data I can identify there are various courses available. The course is BCom, BBM, BSc Max, BCA, BSc CS, etc. So all the departments are being shuffled, being mixed together, and I have to pick up students which are grouped by each department. So that is my question. So the first basic option which is available is VLOOK option. So here I cannot get all the data at a stretch. So I have to go on every time. So here if I am using the VLOOK option, see VLOOK, I have to select the H1 is the area where I am entering. I am giving BBM here. So H1 data contains the BBM. So my question is VLOOKUP H1. So I am searching for the BBM department. So A2 to C30 is the entire data I have given. And from here I can select the BBM highest mark range, which is 90. So for each department I have to write the VLOOKUP query every time, and then I have to fetch all the details. This is the first option. Second, I have to filter the data manually. So how can I manually filter it? So I can sort by department wise. First I have to filter for each department, manually copy the data to a separate sheet, and then I have to go on. This is the second option. So this third advanced filter formula in Microsoft Office 365 allows in single click, whenever you change the name of the H1, your department changes. So I have given the H1 here. H1 is BBM. See, look here, I have given the filter option A2 to C16. So A2 is my BCom from second row, except the header I am selecting the other data. From here I am taking, and all the data till C16 entire data set I am taking. And next is the second parameter is this course alone I am giving into the filter option is equal to H1. So H1 I am now given as BBM. So if for example if I change this BBM to BCom, I will get the values of, I am clicking on enter. See, immediately the data changes. The data has been displayed for the BCom department. If I don't want to see for BCA, I can give it as BCA and I can click on enter. So immediately the date of the BCA department along with their students and the marks are being displayed. So this advanced filter option makes your work very easier, so that you need not go and manually filter and copy the data into each and every sheet individually. So with a single click of this filter formula, you can filter out each and every department and all the students and their marks very easily. So this is the advanced filter option. So hope this is a useful video for you. Stay tuned for other further updates related to the advanced AI options which is available in PowerPoint, Excel and Word. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.